I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your system. Close Fortnite and confirm your monitor's native resolution so you can reduce it intentionally. Once ready, open the Epic Games launcher, select Fortnite, and click the gear icon for launch options. You will switch the game to windowed mode and pick a lower render resolution. This shrinks the visible game area. Do this now so you don't waste time toggling settings while in-game, because the windowed resolution controls are the only reliable way to make the screen smaller. You now change the core settings. Launch Fortnite, go to Settings Video, and set display mode to windowed or windowed full screen. Next, pick a lower resolution, 1280 by 720 or another smaller size, to reduce the game viewport. This physically shrinks the visible screen area. Once done, adjust HUD scale so interface elements remain usable. Lower render size with high HUD scale keeps UI clear. Make sure to apply and confirm changes. If you prefer exact, finish by applying settings and restarting Fortnite so the new windowed resolution is enforced. This seals the smaller screen size. If the image looks stretched or blurry, open your GPU control panel and disable GPU scaling or set application DPI scaling to 100%, then reapply the chosen resolution. If resolution choices are missing, update graphics drivers and confirm Windows display scaling is at 100%. One troubleshooting tip: if the game crops instead of resizing, switch between windowed and windowed full screen until the viewport behaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.